and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin, and I am a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I teach you step-by-step how to make your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. If this is something you've always wanted to do, you're in the right place. So let's go ahead and start creating. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cleansing oil at home. This particular formula is suitable for all skin types, and that includes sensitive skin. To start out with, I'm going to be adding my first ingredient, which is fractionated coconut oil. This is a very versatile carrier oil. It is fast absorbing, non-greasy, and lightweight. And it is suitable for all skin types. It will not clog your pores, and it's very effective at removing any makeup, dirt, and oil from the skin. Now, I personally like using it because it's very moisturizing and soothing on my skin. This is also going to be a great carrier oil for diluting any essential oils in any product. This is going to also protect the skin and allow moisture to be retained. This next ingredient that I'm incorporating into this formula is called EcoSil. It's a natural alternative to silicone. It is derived from olive oil, and what it feels like on the skin is nice and soft and silky, but what it will do for the skin is it contains phytocompounds that are going to help to support and nourish healthy skin. Next, I'm going to be adding the main surfactant in this formula. It is POLYSORBATE 80. This is non-irritating. It will not clog the pores. It's great for acne skin as well as sensitive skin. It is going to be very mild, but yet very effective at removing any oil, dirt, and breaking down any makeup that's on the skin. I did want to mention that POLYSORBATE 80 is not a natural surfactant. It is rather a synthetic surfactant. And so if you're looking to incorporate more of a natural surfactant in this formula, continue watching because I will go over a good substitution for the POLYSORBATE 80 later on in this video. I'm now going to go ahead and add some castor oil into my beaker. Now, castor oil is a thicker substance. It is natural. It's going to help to balance oil production on the skin while also helping to moisturize the skin, and it is suitable for all skin types. I'm now going to go ahead and add some vitamin E. This is a wonderful antioxidant, and it's going to help to support the skin's barrier and also soothe irritation. In this formula, it's also going to help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients used. I'm now going to go ahead and add some blue tansy essential oil. This is a great oil for all skin types. It's going to help to balance oil production, and it has some anti-inflammatory properties in it, which is great for calming any redness or irritation. It does have a very fruity / floral scent to it, and it's going to give our cleansing oil that beautiful blue color to it. Once I have added the essential oil, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this from my scale, and then I'm just going to simply stir this really well for about 3 to 5 minutes until everything is nicely incorporated. Here is the cleansing oil at this point. Look at that beautiful blue color thanks to the blue tansy essential oil that was added. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and pour everything into my bottle here. Now, I wanted to address the issue with why my bottle is not completely filled to the top with this formula. And the reason for that is when I created this formula, I only made it for 3 ounces of product. I thought I had a bottle that fit that exact size, and what do you know? I didn't. So that is my reason for why this doesn't fill the bottle completely. This actually is one of my favorite cleansers. I use this daily, and I love it because it doesn't strip my natural oils on my face, and it doesn't leave my face feeling dry and irritated. Here I'm just adding a pump or two of this oil, and hopefully you can tell here that it does not leave any blue stain or color rather on the skin. And then once I've rubbed it in, I'm just going to go ahead and follow up by using a warm washcloth and removing any excess of the oil. Now, what I love about using EcoSil in this formula is that my skin doesn't have a tacky feel to it. It's nice and really velvety soft. Here are substitutions for the cleansing oil today. For the fractionated coconut oil, I would suggest using either olive oil or almond oil. For the EcoSil, I would say use cocoa caprolate. I felt like that was the best option here. In place of the polysorbate 80, especially if you're looking for a natural substitute, this glycerol, for caprate is a good option. And then instead of the castor oil, sweet almond oil is going to be the next best thing. And then for the blue tansy essential oil, some other essential oils that I would suggest would be lavender or jasmine. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.